how to add border to photo on iPhone. Subscribe for more quick tips. At first, open Photos on your iPhone. Open a photo. At the bottom, tap on Edit icon. At the top, tap on Pencil icon. At the bottom, tap on plus icon. Now tap on Add Shape. Select the shape you want to add in this photo. Now adjust the shape above the photo. Then tap on the color icon. Select the color change icon. Now decrease the opacity to 0. Tap on cross to close this. Then tap on the border icon. Select the border color. Now increase the point. When you are done, tap on check mark at the top. Finally, tap on done. And see, the border frame is added on your photo. That's it.